Something big is brewing at Nothing, and this time it's not just another update. It's a full-blown reinvention. Nothing OS 4 is coming, and it's not playing safe. We're talking about a smarter, sharper, more human-like experience, one that feels less like software and more like an actual companion in your pocket. Carl Pei's team is pushing boundaries, turning AI into the heartbeat of the OS. Not a gimmick, not an add-on. This is baked in, deep at the core, and it shows. From snappy, redesigned widgets to fluid new icons and interactions that respond like a real assistant, the vibe here is responsive, personal, and insanely sleek. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Google just dropped Android 16 for Pixel phones, packed with juicy stuff, Material 3 expressive visuals, Gemini AI upgrades, and even custom keyboard shortcuts. And guess what? According to Android Authority, Nothing's picking up all the right pieces and making them its own. At this year's Android Show I/O edition, Pei didn't hold back. He teased a polished, more secure OS experience and confirmed that Nothing's next update won't just keep pace, it's aiming to lead. The goal? To make the OS feel alive. It's not just about getting things done. It's about how it feels while doing it. And this isn't coming out of nowhere. Last year with OS 3, Nothing hinted at something massive, building a fully independent OS, just like Apple's iOS. Yep, they're gunning for the walled garden, seamless integration between hardware and software. Fewer third-party dependencies, more control. Think long-term vision, personalized, tightly woven features across all Nothing devices. It's bold, but it's the direction they're heading. And they've been walking that path step by step, with each update getting more refined, more custom, more Nothing. Now let's talk about the AI magic. With OS 3.5 already featuring tools like Essential Search, Flip to Record, and Essential Space, the groundwork is laid. But OS 4 is taking it next level. AI isn't just slotted in, it's stitched into the soul of the OS. Nothing's been working closely with its community to shape how AI behaves in real-world use. The result? A system that feels smart without feeling robotic, helpful, but never overbearing. Like an assistant who gets you. And they're backing it all with serious support, 5 years of Android updates, 7 years of security patches, and better dev tools for customizing that signature Glyph interface. The best part? It's almost here. The open beta for Nothing OS 4 is dropping any day now, starting with the Phone 3. And if you're using the Phone 2A or Phone 2, you won't be left behind. Those updates will follow soon.